everyone, this is Lacquer Lover, and today we're going to be celebrating Aryam's last birthday in his 20s with this special nail art design that I've prepared here. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to start by applying peel off base coat. I'm using Hollow Taco's peel off base coat for easy removal, and also I can save the manicures to look back upon in the future, and that's definitely what I do for all the birthday designs that I've been doing up until now. Next up we have colors, so I'll be painting the index and pinky fingernails a light muted sage green and the rest of my nails a light mushroom brown color. I went with this color palette, which will probably remind those of you guys who were here last year of the design that I did last year, but I did kind of switch it up, and this time I think it's a bit more wearable and easier to follow along. So for the index fingernail, we're starting with various shades of green, and we're just going to kind of create a background for our bed of flowers, and I'm just doing these hyacinths, which are starting off with a light purple, and then you build up some of the warmer and deeper purples on top, and I'm doing the same on the pinky fingernail, and that will just create a nice frame for the entire design. I decided on an impressionist painting style because Namjoon is a big fan of art and he loves visiting art museums. So those two nails were super simple, and we'll be doing something simple for the middle and ring fingernails as well. I'm doing a flower pattern design, so it's not going to be detailed flowers at all. They're just going to be more geometric and kind of clean looking. So I have some 4-petaled ones, and then I'm also doing some 5-petal ones. I did the 5-petal ones in a darker brown and the 4-petal ones in a lighter brown, and I'm also going to be adding some leaves in between just to spruce it up and to fill in the spots. As you can see, this manicure is pretty simple, and it reminds me of what I did for 2020 as well, because that was a really simple design focused on Namjoon's interest in art and specifically in modern art. I do believe that this is a very simple manicure that anyone can recreate, and it doesn't scream ARMY or Namjoon too much, so it's pretty wearable and you'll just have it on your nails and feel like you are Namjooning. I also want to take this opportunity to thank Namjoon for being a great leader. I say this every year, but he's truly such an amazing, inspirational leader that keeps BTS together. He's literally their bonding glue and backbone. He keeps them together and humble while also listening to the members for fresh ideas for their music and the art that they produce. I always mention him being a leader because I do feel like it is a focal point in his journey as an artist. I think he's grown a lot in that position, and he continues to do so. He doesn't take that position lightly at all, and you can just see how much effort he puts into it and how seriously he takes his responsibilities. So this thumbnail right here is actually inspired by that one moment that Namjoon had on V Live chat. This was so long ago when more idols are probably chatting on there, but this was when he said there ain't no fish inside 붕어빵, which is this kind of like winter street food snack that a lot of Koreans like to enjoy to kind of like warm themselves up in the winter cold, because it do be cold, and it has just become an important part of BTS and ARMY history. So if you've had a Japanese taiyaki, it's more or less like that. It's a fish-shaped pastry, normally and traditionally with a red bean filling. It's sweet, so don't think it's some weird salty savory filling. It is absolutely delicious. I love red bean filled pastries, sweets, and anything involving red bean is just delicious to me. I sometimes joke that I could just have that for the rest of my life. But yeah, I can't believe that we've been doing these types of videos for 4 years now, and we have taken Namjoon from his 26th birthday to now his 29th, and again, I just want to wish him a fantastic 29th birthday. I hope he's having a great day and just having amazing food and company. I definitely think that this fandom has evolved, and some might even say devolved, into a group that just thirsts over this man, but I think it's such a fun time standing him and just supporting him for all that he represents. But yes, this is Namjoon's 29th birthday nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed painting it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy 29th birthday, Namjoon!